Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I'm David Triggerman, and today we're exploring one of the most emotional and meaningful parts of English, the third conditional. The third conditional, it's if plus the past perfect. Then we have the result with would have plus a verb 3. Here's an example. If I had known you needed help, I would have come right away. The if part, it's the past that didn't happen. And the would have part, it's the imagined result. So we got yesterday, today, and then the missed opportunity. The emotion behind it. We use the third conditional to express regret. If I had studied harder, relief. If I hadn't gone there, I would have missed it. Reflection. If we had left earlier, we would have arrived on time. It's not about real life. It's about imagining the past differently. Let's compare the conditionals. Type 1, the form, it's if plus the present simple and then will. It's used for the real future. It's really realistic. It will happen. Example, if it rains, I'll stay home. The second type, it's if plus the past simple, and then we're going to use would with the base form of a verb. It's unreal in the present. It's unrealistic. It's not likely to happen. It's imaginary. But again, it's in the present going into the future. If I had time, I don't have time, I would travel. But I don't have time. But I would travel if I had time. And then the third one, it's if plus the past perfect. Then we have would have plus a verb 3. It's the unreal past. If I had known, I would have helped. So again, the third conditional is imagining a different past. Here are some more examples. If we had left earlier, we would have caught the train, but we didn't catch the train. If I hadn't eaten so much, I wouldn't have felt sick, but I ate a lot and I felt sick. If they had studied harder, they would have passed the test, but they didn't study hard and they didn't pass the test. So each one talks about a past event that didn't happen. Here's something from real life. If I had checked the weather, I wouldn't have gotten soaked, meaning soaking wet. If we had invested earlier, we would have made a profit. If you had called, I would have helped you. Use it to sound thoughtful, mature, and emotionally aware. So let's put this all into practice. I suggest you to get a notebook, a pen, or a pencil, stop the video, and write down your answers. And then after that, you can check to see if you're right or wrong. Number 1, if I know about the meeting, I attend. Now, think about it. It's last week, 2 days ago, 5 minutes ago, okay? Or in the past. Number 2, if we leave on time, we catch the flight. So, again, it's something that happened in the past. 3, if she listened to you, she avoided the problem. Maybe she didn't listen to you yesterday. 4, if they study harder, they pass. Maybe they didn't study hard. And 5, if I save more money, I travel abroad. Maybe the person didn't save money years ago and didn't travel abroad. So let's get into the answers now. Number 1, if I had known about the meeting, I would have attended. 2, if we had left on time, we would have caught the flight. But we didn't catch the flight. If she had listened to you, she would have avoided the problem. Number 4, if they had studied harder, they would have passed the exam. And 5, if I had saved more money back then, I would have traveled abroad a lot, let's say. All those things didn't happen. We are imagining them, but in the past. Look at some of the common mistakes here. If I would have known, I would have gone. That's a mistake. If I knew, I would have gone. That's a mistake. If I had known, I would gone. That's a mistake. If I had known, I would have gone. This is correct. The if part always uses past perfect, not would. Don't forget that. Everybody, you did amazing today. Now go to davidenglish.info. You can practice the third conditional quiz there and learn how to express what if moments naturally in English. And look at this mixed conditional. If you had started this lesson earlier, you would already be fluent. Bye for now.